Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna talk about rhythm, which to me it is the most important element of music. As you all know, when we play music, sometimes we play one note in one beat, like this. Or sometimes we play two. Or sometimes we play three. Or sometimes we play four. Or sometimes we play six. So, you're gonna learn about that today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click subscribe and don't forget to press the bell next to the subscribe button so then you don't miss any of my future videos. Let's go to my screen now. Whole note. Whole note means one note worth a whole bar. As in this case, we have 4 beats in one bar. Then we play one note in the whole bar and let that note ring for 4 beats. So it's like this. Half note means one note worth half of the bar. As in this case, we have 4 beats in a bar. We play 2 notes in each bar and let that note ring for 2 beats. So it's like this. Quarter note means one note worth a quarter of the bar. In this case, we have 4 beats in a bar. Then we play one note in each beat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Eighth note means one note worth eighth of the bar. As we have 4 beats in a bar, then we play 8 notes in the whole bar. So that means we play 2 notes in each beat, like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 16th note means one note worth 16th of the bar. As we have 4 beats in the bar, then we play 16 notes in the whole bar. So we play 4 notes in each beat, like this. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Triplet means each beat is divided into 3 equally with no gaps in between. As we have 4 beats in the bar, we play 12 notes in the whole bar. So that means we play 3 notes in each beat, like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. One and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.